Hello everyone, I am Kyle, the host of this program. First off, I wanted to thank you all for listening to this program. I'm here today to talk about the importance of using a nutritional value maker. Food manufacturers and restaurants require making nutritional value labels. This helps them gain their customers' confidence into their food products and comply with the food guidelines of the region. A nutritional value label maker can also help you to automatically calculate content claims. By using a nutritional value label maker, you can accomplish the task of calculating food nutrients easily and quickly. Do you want to know what more you can do? See the demo of a leading nutritional value label maker. Nutritionist Pro presented by Axia Systems. For additional details, visit www.nutritionistpro.com or talk to one of their representatives. Calling at 1-800-709-2799 or mail at support@axia.com. For additional queries. This is all for today. I will be back with another episode. Till then, stay tuned.